Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical and electronic graduate, electronic and communication graduate, instrumentation graduates, IC graduates, civil graduates. So these people can make the best use of the video. So name of the company is Gujarat State Electricity Corporation Limited. Now they have released an advertisement for calling for various posts in two different posting. So we will be seeing one by one. So once you go to the official website, you can see these icons. Out of it, you have to choose career. Choose the icon career so that you can see the various job application. So first one is reopening of application window for the recruitment of the post. So this one is already released one, but now they have given time to again apply for it. So those who have missed it can apply now. So those who are applied already, don't apply again. So click here to see the detailed information. So this is the regarding this. So last date for it is reopened from 10/12 to 14/12. So I think so 2 days they will be opening. So those who haven't applied can apply it and make the best use of it. So these are the categories and number of posts divided. So according to your category or caste, you can see how many posts is available, and this is the revised vacancy. And so this is the recruitment for the post of junior programmer, instrument mechanic, and this is the one we are going to see, that is junior engineer for electrical, mechanical, ICE, electronics and communication, metallurgy, civil. So this is the one we are going to see in detail. So age limit is 36 and 41 years, and you can go to this website and apply in your online. So while filling the application, fill it carefully without any making mistakes. And when you come back, you can see an option called reopening of application. You just click it up so that the advertisement will be opening like this: recruitment for junior engineer, and these are the number of posts. So almost for electrical 45 vacancies are there, and mechanical 55 vacancies are there, and instrumentation 19 vacancies are there, electronics and communication 10 vacancies, metallurgy 1 vacancy, and civil 25 vacancies are there. So if you are coming under any one of the above category, you can make the best use of it. And education qualification is B or B Tech in electrical and electronics, and electronics and instrumentation control. And so these are the graduates who can apply for it. And regarding the salary, for the first year they will be giving 37,000, second year to fifth year shall be 39,000, and no other allowance or benefit would be admissible. So other skills which you require will be, the candidate should possess computer knowledge and good command over English and Gujarati language also. So just read the informations carefully. So I just scroll it up, and in case if you want to have further details, you can go to this website and see. I will be posting this PDF in the description. So once you click the link, you can download a PDF and read all the informations. So other than that, there will be 3 sections. So one will be engineering 60% you will get, English knowledge 10%, and general knowledge 10%. And when you come back, you can see an option called advertisement for the post of plant attendant. So this is the another one for electrical and mechanical people. You can make the best use of it. So almost 69 vacancies for mechanical and 50 vacancies for electrical. So kindly click the link below and apply for it so that you won't miss the opportunity. And salary will be 17,500 for the first year and 19,000 for second year. Third year to fifth year, you will be having 20,500. So these are the things which they require from you. Just scroll it up. So in this video, if you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to mechanical graduate, electrical and electronics and communication graduate, instrumentation graduate, civil graduates. It will be a great helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.